Midjourney V7 AI. What if a single sentence could turn into a breathtaking work of art? That's the magic of Midjourney, one of the world's most popular AI-powered text-to-image platforms, and in 2025, it's more powerful than ever. Midjourney has built its reputation on delivering stunning, dreamy visuals that feel like they belong in an art gallery. Its painterly and surreal aesthetic is instantly recognizable, making it the go-to tool for artists, designers, and creators seeking unique, otherworldly images. The 2025 version 7 update takes this even further. It's a complete system rebuilt with enhanced datasets that deliver crisper details and more accurate prompt interpretation. Now you can generate images up to 2048 by 2048 pixels, ensuring every piece is rich and detailed. Processing speeds are faster, and advanced prompt engineering lets you control every aspect of your creation, from aspect ratios and weights to negative prompts that exclude unwanted elements. But Midjourney V7 doesn't stop at static images. It introduces text-to-video tools and noir-like 3D modeling, giving you the power to create immersive content and AI-assisted video clips. Whether you're a marketer creating a campaign, a content creator planning a narrative, or an artist experimenting with new mediums, these features open new possibilities for visual storytelling. Another strength of Midjourney is its community. Operating primarily through Discord, it has grown into a collaborative hub of over 20 million users sharing prompts, tips, and their own AI-generated masterpieces. Even if you're new to AI art, the interface is intuitive and conversational, making it easy to create professional-quality visuals quickly. For businesses, Midjourney's paid subscriptions grant full commercial rights, meaning your AI-generated art can be used for branding, marketing, and product designs without restrictions. Midjourney continues to lead the way in AI-driven creativity by blending advanced technology with artistic expression. With its unique visual language, fast performance, and new video and 3D tools, Midjourney V7 is redefining what's possible in digital art. If you're looking to push the boundaries of imagination, Midjourney isn't just a tool, it's a creative partner that's shaping the future of visual storytelling.